2 years ago when I started working hard, I got one problem because I actually seeing more of the handphone, and when I got Note 5, Note 5 is actually using AMOLED, which actually have very saturated color, and I bought iPad Pro. I got even more serious problem with the screen. I got some problem with my eye, and the main problem is when I actually see too much of the monitor, I will got some problems. So actually this is a solution that I have in the past maybe 2 weeks, and I think it does work for me. For those people that actually don't have the root for your phone, maybe you actually can install one application called blue light filter. So when you press OK, and the app is very simple. When you turn the blue light filter on, you can actually set the filter to be high or low, and that's it. Actually you can choose the type of color that it goes. So if you go black, it will actually maintain white, but less energy is actually being released. And if you make it yellowish, it means that it will cut off more blue combination, so you will get more reddish color. From the research, they're saying that the brain is very much respond to the color temperature of the light, especially when you're using a white light in your room, especially here, like in the meeting room, we're using a very bright daylight type of color, so it make the brain awake, think that it's actually a daytime. So you will have a problem with sleep, and you have a lot of problem with the rest of the thing, like the rhythm. For my case, it's actually the eye, because the blue light is not good for the eye, and actually it will actually producing a physical damage. There's a lot of things you can do, like filter, scheduler, this type of thing. So I think the interface is quite easy to use. So this is the one thing. If your root device is root, I recommend the CF Lumen because it's more flexible. For me, I'm actually using this app. It's actually developing by the XDA developer called Chainfire. Chainfire is very famous for producing a very quite a maniac geek type of app to actually modifying your Android phone, like SuperSU, also to speak, the root application. And what you actually do with this is you just actually install the app, search for the CF Lumen. After you install, you actually search for your location. After that, you just press save, and after that you have a choice to actually set it to auto or disable the master filter. So if you set this to auto, it will based on others configuration. So if you set to off, it will not actually show anything. For me, I already set this. So what it does is you can set the daytime color filter. So you can set the temperature here. Normally 5,005 and above is considered to be a daylight. Outside normally 6,000 and above. It could go to 10K. It could 10 million K, 10,000 K. So for me, during a daytime, I like my eye to be comfortable too. I'll set around 5,500, and I save. So you can see that the color is actually white, and during the sundown, I think you can actually set the sundown time, the sleep time, this type of thing. So it will actually auto based on the time to change the color of your phone. So what I do for my sundown filter is I actually put a custom. Custom mean that you can actually select your own the density of the R and G and B. So during the nighttime I'll set it all to half. You can see instead of setting the temperature, I set it to custom. Of course, you can set the preset like green, blue, amber, salmon, which actually already cut some part of the thing like salmon here. They're saying that it's good for the eye in the nighttime, but I'm not easy. I don't feel easy with this color. So and you can set the sleeping time. So and important thing is you actually set the sleep in the dark sensor. So when it have a very low light, it will auto switch from the sundown or the daytime to the sleep color filter. So in the sleep color filter, you can see that I actually setting even custom further to 0.35, 0.32 and 0.28 because we want blue to be less than other color. And I think it's quite comfortable. In the past 1 or 2 weeks, I think I reducing the symptom of actually the eye strain. And this one is available for Android. For iOS, I heard that there's application, but you need to root your phone to be able to do this. So okay, that's all. That the app called Blue Light Filter and CF Lumen is actually for people to cut off the blue light or the change the things so you can have a better sleep. It worked for me. Those that want to try it can try.